guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with the fifth video of my rainbow series, and I have created, first I'm going to prep my skin with the Little MAC Strobbing Cream. I'm just spreading the product all over my face. I really like this product. It gives me a nice and peachy glow. Then for my base, I'm taking Sugar Cosmetics Ace of Face Foundation Stick. I'm in the shade called 01 Latte, and I'm going to apply it all over my face and neck. And I'm going to blend out the product with my YBP Makeup Perfector. To conceal my face, I'm going to take Maybelline Age Divine Concealer, and I'm in the shade called Nutralizer. Just applying the product on the usual areas where we usually do conceal. And I know my face is looking white, and but you guys also know that pretty much every foundation oxidizes on my skin, so it will take the proper skin tone in a bit, so just stay tuned for that. I'm going to set my face with NYX HD Finishing Powder. My eyebrows, I'm going to use this NYX Brow Pomade in shade, I'm not really sure about the shade name. Please do check my description box. Once I'm done filling my eyebrows, I'm going to start coloring my forehead, I mean my face, and for that I'm going to use NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick, and I think this is the shade called again I don't remember, but it's an orange lipstick, but everything will be mentioned in my description box, so do check that out. These lipsticks are like actually great replacement for body paint, so if you are running tight on a budget, because body paints are pretty expensive, you can actually go for this kind of lipsticks. And the shade range of this NYX Lip Suede is great, so it will be really good collection for those body painting lovers or who are trying out their hands for the first time in body painting. I am just cleaning the lines with a flat foundation brush, and I have applied some foundation just to give that chisel cheekbone effect. To make it a nice smooth transition, I am applying some yellow cream body paint as well. This color theme is actually inspired by the sunset colors. I mean, when the sun is going down, you will see this kind of colors on all over the sky, so I just thought, why not replicate that on my face. Once I'm done with applying the colors, I'm going to set that, which is very important because these products are pretty much all the cream products, so we need to set them. And I'm setting the orange color with some orange eyeshadow, and I'll be setting the yellow color with some yellow eyeshadow, of course. For my eyes, what I'm going to do is I'm taking the same orange eyeshadow and applying in the inner corner of my nose bridge. That way it will give me my eyes a really nice depth. And also I'm going to drag the orange color all the way down to my nose as if my contouring color. Applying some red in the outer corner of my eyes just to give it a more depth. And then I'm taking this NYX Chic palette and applying the shimmery shade on the eyelid just to give it a very soft, nice cut crease look. With a more dramatic effect, I am applying some liquid gold glittery eyeliner and just tapping it with my fingers. That way the glitter particles will shine more. So I'm applying some liquid highlighter on the cheekbones just to give it a more high cheekbone effect, because my cheekbones are pretty much invisible. Now for my wing, I'm going to take this NYX gel eyeliner with the help of the Nykaa silicone brush. Actually guys, I would like to take a minute and tell you that if you don't have this brush, please collect it. It's an amazing brush. I mean, this is such a genius idea, because cleaning of this brush is like really simple because it's silicone tip and it's really durable. You can travel with it. There is no fear that the tip will break or something. It's just amazing product. For my lower lash line, I'm going to take this NYX jumbo pencil in the shade called Milk and going to apply it. I do that just to give my eyes a nice big doll-eye effect. Time for mascara, and for that my current obsession, of course, that is Maybelline Big Shot Mascara. I'm going to give my lashes a nice coat, though I'll be throwing some false lashes, of course, because the princess look cannot be completed without that, right? Now the fun part, the clouds. For that I'm taking a white cream body paint which is from Kryolan, applying that with a jagged motion with a flat tip brush and diffusing the outer edges just to give it a more cloud-like effect. Just keep watching this step and you will understand what I'm doing. This step is really simple and you don't really need to follow any kind of pattern because it's cloud, and just be creative and create whatever shape you are looking for and it will end up looking good, trust me. For my neck, I'm going to apply those same colors the way I have applied on my forehead. Orange first and followed by the yellow. Just going to fast forward this step super quick. Just going to draw those clouds as well. But for the neck piece, I'm going to make the clouds slightly bigger. After that, I'm going to splatter some white liquid paint here and there just to give the starry night effect. Not starry night, starry sky effect. And for my lips, I'm going to apply that same liquid lipstick, that same orange liquid lipstick, and with that my look is complete. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. That will mean world to me. Subscribe to my channel guys, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, bye.